In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add INR to buy crypto on the Binance India app. If you've been thinking about entering the world of cryptocurrency through Binance, but aren't quite sure how to get started with your local currency, don't worry, I've got you covered. By following these steps, you'll be ready to trade in no time. First up, before you do anything else within the app, you'll need to complete the KYC process. KYC stands for Know Your Customer, and it's an important identity verification step that ensures the security of the platform. To do this within the Binance app, navigate to the identity verification section. From there, select India as your country and proceed by uploading your official ID along with a selfie. This process helps ensure you can transact safely and that your account remains secure. Once your identity has been verified, open the app and head over to the trading section. Here, you're going to want to select P2P trading. P2P stands for peer-to-peer, and within this section you'll be able to trade cryptocurrencies directly with other users. Now we're going to focus on buying crypto, so select the Buy tab. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Popular options that you might consider starting with are USDT or BTC. Remember to set your currency to INR so that you're transacting in Indian rupees. This setup ensures that you can see offers and rates in the currency you're planning to use. With your crypto and currency selected, it's time to think about how you'd like to pay. Filter the available trades by your preferred payment method. You might opt for UPI, IMPS, NEFT, or RTGS, depending on what suits your current banking setup. Make sure to choose an option that you're familiar with and that aligns with the speed and fees you're comfortable with. When you're browsing through sellers, I recommend picking a vendor who is a verified merchant and has a high success rate. These sellers are usually more reliable and have a track record of successful transactions, which ensures a smoother experience for you. After deciding on a seller, enter the quantity of INR you're planning to convert into cryptocurrency. Tap the place order button to proceed. Now you'll need to transfer the indicated amount of money from your bank account using the payment method you selected earlier. Once you've done that, return to the app, mark the transaction as paid, and don't forget to upload a proof of payment for added assurance. And there you have it, you're done. You've successfully added INR to your Binance account to purchase crypto, and you're now ready to explore the possibilities that cryptocurrency has to offer. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.